Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a brow tutorial, the 15 billion brow tutorial on YouTube, which is okay, it's mine, so you know, special. But we are using Anastasia's Dipbrow Gel, which is a new product that is recently going to launch. So I kind of wanted to play with it and see how it works, so we'll get right into it. Alright you guys, so before I start the tutorial, I kind of want to give you guys some info on the product. Now this is called a Dipbrow Gel, and I'm gonna throw up some swatches of all the shades that I have. They come in 11 shades. It's an all matte full coverage pigment gel. It's available in two sizes, a full size and a mini size. The full size is $18 and it is 4.4 grams. Now this is the full size that I have right here, and honestly she's very like, I don't know, for it being $18, I'm pretty cheap. So like I just feel like this is like, I don't know, a little bit, you know, I don't know. And then the mini one is $9 and it comes with 2.2 grams. It's supposed to be waterproof, full coverage, and long wearing. Now I'm gonna put the launch dates in the description down below, but this doesn't launch till next month on the 4th and on the 7th. So they sent these to us really early. So let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so I already did one brow off camera to save some time. So what I like to do is I like to brush my hairs upward so I can see like the bottom line right here. So that's what I'm doing right now. Now this brow gel, like the consistency from using it on this brow, it dries down pretty quickly, so you have to work with it really fast. And then you can create your whole entire brow with this. You can run it through your brow for some like tint, and then you can also pick up the angle brush and do your brow with this. So I'm gonna basically do both. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run it through my brows first. And I didn't take any of the excess product off of the little spoolie. I just left it. So I'm just running this even in the front of my brow as well, and then taking it all the way to the back. And like the consistency of this gel, it feels like the Dipbrow but in a gel form and much thinner. So you know how Dipbrow is like really thick, it's literally, it's a pomade, you know what I'm saying? But this is more so, it's thinner and it's in a gel form. So now that I have like a little bit on my brow, and I know it looks harsh right there, I'm gonna like blend it out, but I'm going to take the spoolie and run it through. And then I'm going to take an angle brush. This is the Morphe, let me see, M158 brush, and pick up some of that product off of the little brush. And then I'm going to use this to create my brow. I hope that you guys can see. It's very, the reason why I don't do my brows on camera is because it's kind of hard to do them on here, but we're gonna try. So I tend to like stray away from like pomades. I don't like them because they're very harsh, and I can see that like this is kind of harsh on my brow. Also I have dark hair, and sometimes when I do my brow I tend to make them even darker, and that just like my brows look like really bold, which there's nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with a really bold brow, but for me personally, like it's so like bold that like you can, like my brows are like in your face, you know, like right now they're in your face. So this is not like, pomades are not, or gels are not something that I reach for. I use a brow pencil. I use the Anastasia brow definer pencil because like that's one of my favorite pencils to work with. And two, I'm very heavy-handed, so that's why I stray away from dip brows, because a bitch can really go off, and I don't want to go off, you know what I'm saying? Also, again, you have to work really quickly with these because they're like, it's drying down on me, and I don't want that. Another thing that I'm seeing is when I brush it out, like it gets like a little crumbly. But I mean, this brow looks really good, if you guys can see. By the way, the color that I'm using is Ebony. Again, I have really dark hair, so I try to like use something that's darker. Also, I was reading in the thing, and it was saying how you can pair these with any dip brow. I would not do that, just because these are very intense and pigment, and then putting it on top of a dip brow, it's just going to really intensify your brow. So oh my god, pause. that is the most ugliest photo of me. Anyways, I'm editing this video and that's why I have so many things to say again. Yes, these, I wouldn't pair it with a dip brow, but if you use like a lighter one from the line, then yeah, because I mean it would lighten your brows. So I mean that's another option, you know what I'm saying? I personally wouldn't do that. You can if you want to, if you like a really bold brow, but I just wouldn't. So let me continue to line, because I like a very clean brow, so I could see that it's kind of bald right there, so I'm just gonna fix that. Now also, if you have a lot of product on your brush, you can use the back of your hand to like remove it. Also, again, this brow gel really helps set your brow hairs in place so they're not gonna move at all. Now I'm going to clean my brows. I like to use the Plouis Rumor 2 base, and lately I've been using this Makeup Shack flat brush. Let me show you guys. It's so good to clean the brows with. This is the Makeup Shack T77 brush. So let me, can you guys see my mirror? It's okay, right? I just need my mirror to like clean my brows, because if I don't use this mirror then I fuck up. And I just like to take my time on this part. It's very hard to talk while I'm doing this. Alright, you guys, so I'm not gonna mess with this brow anymore, because I feel like the more product that I add, it's gonna get like very bold, and I don't want to scare y'all, you know what I'm saying? So this is the finished result. So I'm going to do my whole entire face and I'll come back. Alright, you guys, so after a million hours later, I'm finally done with my whole entire face. I just kind of went simple. So I think I'll do like brow checkups, I guess, throughout the day, so you guys can see how the brow holds up. So right now it is currently 12:24, and so I'll come back and check in a few hours. All right, you guys, it is about to be 5. It's 4:51 right now. Here's the update on my brows. They look pretty good. Also, I wanted to do the rubbing test where I rub my finger through the brows. Oh, there's no product on that shit. Oh wow, what the fuck? That's really cool. Let me try the other one. Ooh, she's transfer, what is that, transfer proof? Yeah, okay, not bad. Also, can you like take a look at my foundation? This is the Derma Blend Cover Cream Foundation, and she looks good. I'm a little oily, but who cares? And also my chin is cracking. This is not a fucking foundation review. Ugh. I also need to really stop cussing, because like children watch my video, and like, you know, I try to tone it down. Anyways, I'm getting off track again, like always in all of my videos. I do this all the time. No wonder people tell me that like I talk a lot. Like, I get it now. But anyways, so I'll come back in like a few hours to do like a last checkup. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Bye. Alright, you guys, so someone asked me to compare Give Me Brow Wand to the Anastasia wand. So if you can see the one on the left, this one right here, this one is the Give Me Brow Wand by Benefits, and then this one is the Anastasia. There's definitely a clear difference between both of them. The Give Me Brow one is way smaller, whereas Anastasia's is a bit bigger and longer. That sounded very weird. Also, the consistency of the Give Me Brow product is a bit thicker and drier, whereas Anastasia's is a bit thinner and like a little more liquidy. So I wanted to show you guys that comparison. Oh my god, my phone keeps going off, I'm sorry. Yeah. Alright, you guys, I think I am done with this tutorial. It is currently 6:02, so it's only been an hour since the last update, but I think I'm through. I've had this on for about 5 hours. I don't think that's really bad. I'm just going to run through my brows again. There's literally no product on it other than my highlight, so I really do like the product. I rated a 10. I feel like it is really nice. It held up really nicely. Now, I would say that it's a very intense product, so like what I mean by that is that I wouldn't necessarily put it on top of a dip brow just because it's like too much. I would probably wear it alone like how I did today, but not on top of a dip brow at all, because dip brow is very like intense. It's a pomade and it can be very harsh too. I mean, obviously if you have a very like heavy hand, then it's gonna be very intense for you, but if you're very like light-handed, then I mean, go ahead and use both of them together. But I would personally use it by buy. Just a quick pause because I really wanted to mention this in the video. This product would work really well for those that do not have a lot of hairs. Obviously you guys saw that I created my whole entire brow with this product. Even though it's a gel, it would work really well with those that don't have a lot of hair. So I really wanted to mention that in this video itself. I also think that the consistency is really nice. I do wish she was a bit thicker, like it had more product in it, because for $18 I'm like, ugh. But that's just me, okay? That's just me. That's because I'm very cheap. Overall, I really do like it. So I think that's pretty much it, you guys. I don't really have anything else to say. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.